SAPS has reinstated General Dumisani Khumalo despite the ongoing corruption charges. General Khumalo, head of the South African Police Service's Crime Intelligence Division, is set to resume his duties after an internal investigation cleared him, even though he continues to face fraud and corruption charges. Meanwhile, Lieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo, the divisional head of SAPS Crime Intelligence, returned to the Pretoria Magistrate Court on Thursday, about a month ago, alongside 6 high-ranking officers, all facing charges of fraud and corruption in a case that has reignited long-standing concerns of alleged infiltration, irregular appointments, and internal power battles within the SAPS. Khumalo is charged alongside Crime Intelligence Chief Financial Officer Philani Lushaba, Technical Support Systems Manager Brigadier Dineo Mukwele, Gauteng Crime Intelligence Boss Major General Josias Lukalakala, Head of the National Analysis Center Major General Nosipo Precious Madondo, SAPS Technology Services Major General Zwelisini Gabela, and Brigadier Pindili Ngube, head of the vetting office. The group was arrested in June after a sweeping probe by the Investigative Directorate Against Corruption, IDAC. The investigation centers on the alleged irregular appointment of Mukwele, a civilian at the time, to a crime intelligence post at brigadier level, a move prosecutors say violated SAPS procedures and formed part of a broader pattern of manipulation with the division. All 7 were granted a bail of between 10,000 rand and 20,000 rand under strict conditions that include nationwide prohibition on entering any crime intelligence premises. These conditions have since become the focal point of a high-stakes legal battle. Khumalo and his co-accused argue that the restrictions are so severe that they effectively remove him from his post as national head of the crime intelligence without any formal suspension. His legal team maintains that the bail terms are unreasonable and unconstitutional, crippling operational command of a division already embroiled in crisis. Tensions flared at the previous court appearance last month, where a relatively straightforward bail variation application took an unexpected turn after controversial advocate Malisela Difo rose to address the court. Difo, best known for his tumultuous role in the Senzomuya murder trial, announced he was appearing as the friend of the court to oppose any relaxation of bail conditions. He warned that Khumalo and his co-accused were very dangerous people whose access to crime intelligence facilities posed a threat to state security. Presiding magistrate permitted Difo to make submissions, prompting even greater tension inside the courtroom. He said, "Good morning, Your Worship. My name is Advocate Malisela Difo. I want to bring an application to be a friend of the court in this matter. The applicants are very dangerous people. I was in jail. They were part of sending me to jail. When I was in jail, they were monitoring my communications." Difo then claimed that Khumalo, in his capacity as divisional commissioner, had appointed a certain Brigadier Moyana to oversee surveillance linked to his imprisonment. Before he could continue, Senior Defense Counsel Advocate Zandile Mshololo stood up to object, accusing Difo of abusing court processes and attempting to derail a legitimate bail variation hearing with unrelated allegations. The court drama underscores what has become one of the most sensitive legal battles inside the SAPS, one that blends criminal allegations, internal rivalries, questions of legality in appointments, and fears for deep-seated factional infiltration.